Happy Friday, everyone. We made it. One day left here before the big weekend slide. Of course, things today will be fairly active, mainly in the southern portions of the nation. We're tracking a storm system which has already created a big stir over West Texas. Some areas there picking up record snowfall earlier this week, but that storm is kind of transitioning into more of a rain and even storm maker across the Gulf Coast states. And then by the time it heads up into the northeast this weekend, we'll have some snow, but it's going to be very close to the eastern seaboard with some of those accumulations. Southern storm, of course, we'll mention that, and then that snow potential coming in a couple different waves. But there it is. Storm system moving through the lower Mississippi Valley. Out ahead of it, showers, thunderstorms. That'll help to bring in quite a bit of rain. And then on the northwest flank of that, as you notice here into Friday night, Saturday, we've got some snow. But again, right along the northwest flank of that and across the extreme eastern seaboard, that's where we're going to see the best chance of accumulating snow. And then here are those clipper systems, a couple of different ones rolling through, and then this one into early next week could help to kick out some additional snow in the northeast. But look at this trail of water here from the panhandle of Florida out near Tallahassee, Pensacola, all the way up to the extreme eastern portions of Maine. We're calling for several inches of precipitation, and again, just on the northwest flank of that, our snow potential. Meanwhile, those clipper systems diving in from Canada into the Midwest and the Great Lakes with some snowfall potential as much as 2 to 4 inches of shovelable stuff. Hey, and nice to see some moisture return back to the west coast. Over the next 5 days, we could be calling for about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch in some areas. But there is your snowfall potential, and really not a terrible amount along the eastern seaboard. Not a blockbuster event, but still some accumulation is expected. In the meantime, a lot of that cold Arctic air is still well north of the international border. In fact, in Minneapolis today, 37 with a bit of a wintry mix, and the warm spot nationwide, Miami, 81.